I'm going to begin by trying my best to tame my brows using washable, non-toxic school glue and a spoolie brush to try to convince my brows to lie down. Once the glue is dry, do your normal primer, foundation, and concealer routine. And yes, I'm aware of the weird glue foundation mixture on my hair, but I'll be wearing a wig, so it's no big deal. Now, using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, I'm going to draw out the shape I want to make around the eye. After working out the shape I want, copying it to the other eye, and lightly filling in the bottom of each shape to help brighten the color that we're going to put over it, I'm going to roughly mark out where each of the colors of the gradient I'm about to make will be. Using the cream colors I'll be using for the rest of the tutorial, except for the Jumbo Eye Pencil in Purple Velvet. Instead, I'm using the NYX Vivid Brights cream color in Rebellious Edge, filling in the outline from the tip of my nose to just under where my natural eye bags begin. From here into my lower lash line is where we're going to be blending the blue and purple later. Then, taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Cobalt, I'm filling in the blue portion of the gradient from our blending area on the lower lid to just under my brow bone. Now from just under my brow bone, I'm going to fill in the rest of the outline using the NYX Cosmic Metals Lip Cream in Out of This World. Get it? Because it's an alien look? Anyway, from here I'm using eyeshadows in matching colors to set the cream products and really help the colors pop. I've decided that an extension of the shape and gradient blending my eyebrow shape into the established gradient would look good. So here I am starting the purple of the gradient on my eyebrows. And then the camera shut off. Anyway, same deal as before, cream products, blending, powders to set. Then taking that same eye pencil and milk, I'm lining my waterline and filling in the gaps between the gradient shapes before powdering it using a white highlighter. Then, using a purple highlighter, I'm highlighting the nose and forehead. Moving on to the lower half of the face, I'm outlining the shape of the jaw structure in white eye pencil, just to make sure I'm happy with the shape. Then taking a black liquid lipstick and filling out my lip shape, before extending the color down the center of my chin, up the sides of the cupid's bow, and past the outer corners of my mouth until it meets the white line we drew earlier. Then filling in the chin shape with a purple cream, leaving a thin white stripe on the black line. shape with a green cream product, lightly blending if necessary. Now for the powder products on the lower half of the face. After setting the cream base with a matching eyeshadow and blending the color to the white on the jawline, I'm going to add shadows and depth with dark eyeshadow. I'm then going to add some color to the cheek area using NYX's Ombre Blush and Codebreaker. Before adding a duochromatic lip topper onto the bottom lip and along the stripe down the chin. Now I'm blending the colors on the lower half of the face down the neck to just past the neckline of my costume, leaving a line between the purple and green that I'm going to fill in with white. Then taking the same dark eyeshadow in my normal contour shade, I'm going to build up the illusion of a ridge on the green portion of the eye gradient, making sure to blend out the colors. Touching up the highlight on the forehead. Finally, add mascara, false lashes, and a final bit of costume, and you're done. Now go have fun exploring the galaxy. Bye!